Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the third brake light assembly on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, to remove this lens assembly, we're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take that screw out, then we'll take this screw out. I'm just going to take a trim tool. I want to release under here. Just release the seal, break the seal free. When that's loose, we're going to open the lift glass. Lift that up. And you may have to get underneath here. Release the seal. Slide this out a little bit. Just like this. There is a washer hose right here. I'm going to take that washer hose off. You can use a straight blade screwdriver or just a trim tool. Slide that hose off. Disconnect the electrical connector right here. Just push on that tab, slide it up. Take this connector, line this connector up. Lock it in place. Take the washer hose, get the washer hose reconnected. There. You can slide this back into position. Just like that. With that right there, I'm just going to close the glass. Hold it from the outside. I'll take the Phillips head screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Just get that started and get the other one started. And then snug them down. Just like that.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.